I see you're trying to eat healthier. That's great. Have you heard of quinoa?
Quinoa? Yeah, I've heard the name, but I'm not sure what all the fuss is about. Is it just a trendy grain?
Well, it's definitely become popular, but it's not just a trend. Quinoa actually deserves a place on your plate, and here's why. First off, quinoa is a complete protein. That means it has all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but can't make on its own. Pretty impressive, right?
Wait, so you're saying it has all the protein you need? I thought that was only in meat.
Exactly. That makes quinoa so special, especially for vegetarians or anyone looking to boost their protein intake without eating meat. It's one of the few plant-based foods that can do that.
Okay, I didn't know that. What else makes quinoa so great?
Well, quinoa is also rich in fiber. You know how important fiber is for digestion, right?
Yeah, it helps keep things moving. But how does that relate to quinoa?
That's right. Because quinoa is high in fiber, it helps keep you feeling full for longer. So, if you're trying to manage your weight or just cut down on unnecessary snacking, quinoa can be a game changer.
That sounds really helpful. I definitely need help with the snacking part. Anything else?
Oh, there's more. Quinoa is packed with vitamins and minerals like magnesium, iron, potassium, and B vitamins. These are essential for energy production, muscle function, and just overall well-being. So, it's a great all-around choice for your health.
Wow, it sounds like a powerhouse of nutrients. But isn't it tough for people who can't have gluten?
Actually, quinoa is naturally gluten-free. That makes it a safe and nutritious option for anyone with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. It's a fantastic substitute for gluten-rich grains.
Good to know. So it's safe for people like me who need to avoid gluten. Is there anything else I should know?
Yes. Quinoa also has a low glycemic index. This means it won't cause those sharp blood sugar spikes that you get with some other carbs. For people managing diabetes or just looking for steady energy throughout the day, quinoa is a great choice. It can even help decrease insulin resistance, which might delay the progression of diabetes.
That's amazing. I had no idea quinoa could do so much. Looks like I need to start eating more of it.
Definitely. It's a simple and nutritious addition to your diet. Just remember, quinoa isn't just trendy, it's truly a superfood. I'm glad you're considering it.
Thanks, Doc. I'll definitely give it a try. Who knew something so small could be so mighty?
Exactly. Keep up the good work, and keep making those healthy choices.
Will do. Thanks again.